Ma-Afrika Borwa a mangata a etsa mekitlane ya ho fella ditlhoko tsa ona tsa letsatsi le letsatsi tsa ditjeo tsa dijo, motlakase le mafura.
Consumers are having to tap into different forms of unsecured credit, particularly personal loans. We find quite a high ratio of the applicants, 96% of them have personal loans. 20% of them have payday loans when they come to us, and so on. So they're having to tap into this because they cannot make ends meet.
Debts Busters e re bareki ba qadile ho phutla ka mokotla ka Pudungwana ngwahola kola ha sekgahla sa tswala se ne se phahama ka makgetlo a latellanang.
Consumers continue to be hit with two things: high inflation, which is running really for particular things like fuel and petrol and electricity. It's probably double of what it was 5-6 years ago. That's the first thing. And I would also argue that even for food inflation is really high, much higher than the CPI number itself.
Debts Busters e re e thabiswa ke hore boholo ba batjha bo sebedisa mananeo a taolo ya mekitlane a online ho ntlafatsa meralo ya bona ya tshebediso ya ditjhelete.